How do we get milk? First, cows that are Jersey or Frisian drink a lot of water and eat grass too. They get milk twice a day to get a lot of yummy milk. Next, it is put in cooling tanks to cool down because it is too hot. It is then taken to the milk factory with a big refrigerated truck. At the factory, the milk is separated from cream with a separator. Then heated to kill the germs, which is called pasteurizing. It is heated to about 75 degrees Celsius, which is really hot to kill the germs. After it is put into bottles and sent to shops to buy. Finally, someone picks a bottle of nice fresh milk and goes to the counter to buy.